Ciao, this is Rosa from My Italian Lifestyle, and today's recipe is salad peppers. It's an easy and delicious recipe that you can use as a side dish, for bruschetta, or as an appetizer. Of course, I'm going to use the extra virgin olive from Viaggio and the roasted peppers from Viaggio as well. Easy to use. What you need today is a cup of parsley, 3 cloves of garlic that I already cut, and half a cup of extra virgin olive oil from Viaggio. And of course, the red peppers. They're already peeled and roasted, so very easy. Let's start. You're going to use the half cup of extra virgin olive oil from Viaggio, and then you're going to use some salt. I use like 2 pinches of salt. Then you're going to use also some garlic. I use 3 cloves of garlic and I cut in half, and then some parsley. And of course, you're going to squeeze 1 lemon on top of this beautiful, colorful salad. After you put all the ingredients, you're going to mix them together. Sometimes I also use my hands so they can blend in better. And this is such a delicious and easy recipe. The roasted peppers from Viaggio, it's a way to have an easy and fast side dish. You can use this salad over a bruschetta or imagine as an appetizer. If you like this recipe, follow our social medias, and for more information, go on www.farmersfromitaly.com. Ciao e a presto!